Hi, I'm Dr. Bhargav Rao from Pathofast Lab in Pune, and today I'm going to give you simple ways by which you can check your liver health at home without spending any money and without visiting any doctors. So let's go. The first and the simplest way to check your liver health is by taking a look at the symptoms that you might be having. The first and the simplest symptom to look for is, do you feel like a complete loss of appetite? You don't feel like eating your food. No matter how much work or exercise you do, you don't feel the need or the urge to have something to eat. This is called anorexia and is probably one of the most common symptoms that you would have if there's something wrong with your liver. The next and also a very common symptom is that you feel constantly tired and very exhausted. Now this is a very general kind of a thing. A lot of people might be having this, but together with all the other symptoms that I'm going to tell you about, this is also a very important symptom. So just ask yourself, do you feel constantly fatigued and exhausted? The third and also a very common symptom that you could have is, if you look at what I'm showing you on the screen, there are two eyes that I'm showing you. One of them, if you look at the white of the eyes, it's clearly white. It looks like, like cotton or like snow. That is the normal white color of your eyes. But if you look at the other image, you'll see that the white part of the eyes has in fact turned yellow. Now this is called jaundice or icterus, and it's also one of a very common signs of something wrong with the liver. The next symptom that I need you to look for is whether you feel severe itching on your arms and also on your legs, especially at night. We call this pruritus, and it's also one of the signs that there might be something wrong with your liver. Again, now there are two things that I want you to do on your own at home. I'm going to tell you how to do them, which can give you a better idea of whether there's something wrong with your liver. So I want you to take your right hand, the palm of your right hand, place it on the right side of your stomach, just a little bit below the ribs. So when you touch your stomach, you will feel the bone, that those are your ribs. I need you to place the upper part of your palm just a little bit below the ribs. And now I need you to take a deep breath. So that's something like this. And hold the breath and let it go. Now, if when you were at the top of the breath, that is when you took the breath, when you took a deep breath and you were holding it, if you felt some kind of a sharp pain at the point where you were pressing just below the ribs, that could be your liver, which has swollen up, which is inflamed, and which could be giving you that pain. This is one of the signs that there's something wrong with your liver. The other thing that I want you to do is to check for swelling on your body. Swelling all over the body, maybe on your feet, on your abdomen, or even on your face, are signs that there is something wrong with the liver, which is causing fluid or water to build up under your skin. One easy way to do this is to take a single finger of your right hand, or with whichever hand you write, and just press on your shin bone. Just press gently on your shin bone, and if you find that a pit forms in your skin, it's like a little depression in your skin, which is almost deep enough to hold some water in it, and this pit is what we call a sign that there is water built up under your skin. So if you find this pit forming, I've shown you an image here on the screen. This pit will go away on its own after about 1 or 2 minutes, but a deep pit forming this way, which is like enough to hold some water in it, is another sign that there is some kind of swelling or fluid build up under your skin, which is probably also because of your liver.